I have a Toro Workman MDX which I use for picking up golf balls as a range cart. We have had problems in the past with the starter/generator which we recently replaced, however now the engine doesn't idle before starting so no torque is generated and we have trouble starting if there is any load being pushed. Is there a clutch adjustment problem? Once it is running it runs fine but steering is a big problem. Previously if you lightly touched the accelerator the engine would idle and then when you pressed harder and the revs increased the clutch would grab and starting under load was no problem. Now it seems to always be in drive so there is no idle at any time unless the gear lever is moved to neutral. Any advice would be greatly appreciated. Brad. Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines, let me try to help you. Take a look at the centrifugal drive clutch. It sounds like it is sticking and is not returning to the position that the drive belt is loose. If belt is still trying to drive the driven clutch, engine will be under load, hard to start and no idle. It may just need some oil on the sliding parts, or you may need a new drive clutch.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.